Helo, shwmae a chroeso nôl I wythnos arall o Ddydd Mercher Cymraeg. Hello, shwmae and welcome back to Welsh Wednesdays. Now, this week, it is a very special week because, of course, the Royal Welsh Show is happening right now. If you've not heard of the Royal Welsh Show or just wondering what it is, then check out last week's Welsh Wednesdays video for all the information you need. As it is the Royal Welsh Show this week, I thought that we'd go back to basics one more time and look at farmyard animals in Welsh. Barod? Ready? Here we go. Dafad, sheep. Buwch, cow. Mochyn, pig. Ceffyl, horse. Gafr, goat. Iar, chicken. Hwyaden, duck. Cath, cat. Ci, dog. Llygoden, mouse. Now, of course, all the words we've just gone through are the singular versions. If you are wondering what the plurals are of all these animals, you can see them coming up next, and they are all in the caption as well. That's it for another Welsh Wednesdays, and we have learned all the animals of the farm. Dyna ni am wythnos arall o Ddydd Mercher Cymraeg. Rydyn ni wedi dysgu am anifeiliaid y fferm. Tune in next week for another Welsh Wednesdays. Tuniwch mewn wythnos nesa am Ddydd Mercher Cymraeg arall. Hwyl am y tro. Bye bye for now.